Do you ever feel like you're always fighting for someone's attention? It can be really frustrating when you feel like you're always the one putting in all the effort and never getting anything back. You might start to wonder if that person even cares about you at all. According to relationship experts, fighting for someone's attention is usually only going to backfire and make them want to distance themselves from you. But what if I told you that there was a much better way to deal with this situation? In fact, if you follow the 9 steps and advice that we are going to show you in this video, not only will you get their attention, but they will also start chasing you. Watch this video with your undivided attention and follow the 9 steps in the given order so you don't miss any important information. If you are new here, make sure to click the subscribe button and leave a comment below saying "I subscribed." I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let's start understanding the problem. Before diving in and giving you the solution, let's take a step back and analyze the problems so that we can understand them better. The main reason why most people fight for someone's attention is that they are afraid of being ignored or rejected. They think that if they don't put in the effort, the other person will never notice them. So they try to be as close to the other person as possible and do everything they can to get their attention. However, this usually has the opposite effect of what they are trying to achieve. Instead of getting the person's attention, they often end up pushing them away because it starts to feel suffocating and desperate for the other person. So, what can you do instead to flip the script and make the other person start chasing you? The solution is actually quite simple. Step 1. Stop chasing them. The first step that you need to take is to stop chasing the person that you want to attract. This means that you need to stop trying to be around them all the time, stop texting them constantly, and stop doing things that they want to do just so that you can be close to them. You need to give them some space and let them come to you. This might be hard at first, but it is essential if you want to make them start chasing you. Right now, they have an image of you in their head that is probably of a needy and desperate person. You want to change that image so that they see you as someone strong, independent, and confident. The best way to do this is by giving them some space and showing them that you don't need them to be happy. Step 2. Take responsibility for your emotions. When we like someone, we often put our happiness in their hands. We think that they are responsible for making us feel good, and that if they don't give us the attention that we want, then we will be unhappy. This is not true. You are responsible for your own happiness, and you need to take control of your emotions. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't feel anything when the person you like ignores you. It just means that you need to find ways to make yourself happy without them. Once they notice that you are happy without them, they will start to chase you. This is a proven psychological principle that is known as the law of scarcity. It says that people want what they can't have, and they are more attracted to things that are rare. So, if you can show the person that you like that you are happy without them, they will start to see you as a rare and valuable commodity that they need in their life. Step 3. Live according to your values. According to relationship experts, living according to your values is one of the best ways to make someone want you more. When you are true to yourself, you exude confidence and self-assurance, which are qualities that are highly attractive to others. Furthermore, living according to your values sends a clear message that you are not willing to compromise on what is important to you. As a result, the person who is chasing you will have to work harder to win your affection. Finally, by living according to your values, you are more likely to find someone who is truly compatible with you. After all, compatibility is essential for a lasting and fulfilling relationship. If they don't share your values, then they are not worth your time and attention. Step 4. Show that you are interested without being needy. It is important to show the person you like that you are interested in them, but you need to do it in a way that doesn't make you seem needy or desperate. Here's how to do it correctly. Show them that you are there when they really need you. Make them trust you by being honest with them. Be supportive without smothering them, and make sure that your actions always match your words. By following these simple tips, you will show the person you like that you are a reliable and trustworthy person who isn't needy. And that is exactly the kind of person they will want to be with. Step 5. Become the best version of yourself. This is a big step that you need to take if you want to make someone want you more. You need to become the best version of yourself that you can be. This doesn't mean that you need to change who you are. It just means that you need to strive to be the best that you can be. Here are some ways to do this. Set goals for yourself and work hard to achieve them. Be positive and optimistic, and be kind and helpful to others. This will build your self-esteem and make you feel good about yourself. As a result, you will become more attractive to others. Step 6. Be patient with them. If you want to build a lasting relationship with someone, then you need to be patient. What does being patient mean? It means that you need to give the person time to get to know you and develop feelings for you. You can't force someone to like you, and if you try to do it, then you will only end up pushing them away. You have to keep in mind that some people develop feelings for others more slowly than others. This means that you might have to wait a while before they are ready to take things to the next level. Step 7. Never take things personally. I know feeling like you are being ignored can be hurtful, but you need to remember that it might not be personal. There could be a million reasons why the person is ignoring you, and none of them has anything to do with you. Maybe they are going through a tough time in their life and they need some space. Maybe they are busy with work or school. Whatever the reason, you need to remember that it is not about you. So don't take things personally and give them the space they need. The key is not to make them the center of your world and to have your own life. This way, you won't be as affected when they ignore you. Step 8. Show them that you are wanted by others. One of the best ways to make someone want you more is to show them that you are wanted by others. This might sound counterintuitive, but it works. When someone sees that other people are interested in you, they will be more likely to want you as well. This is a proven step because when people feel like they are competing for your attention, they will be more likely to want you. It's a natural instinct that humans have when they feel like they are competing with someone for something. Step 9. Be willing to walk away. This is the last and most important step. The idea of walking away can be scary, but it is so important if you want to make someone want you more. When you are willing to walk away from someone, it shows them that you are not desperate and that you are not going to put up with their bad behavior. It shows them that you are a high-value person who is not going to tolerate being treated poorly. When you do this, they will know that they need to treat you well if they want to keep you in their life, and that is exactly what you want. Having this type of mindset will not only make someone want you more, but it will also attract better quality people into your life. Before ending this video, here are 3 important points to remember. Do not try to make someone want you by fighting for their attention or chasing them. This will only push them away. Become the best version of yourself and never settle for anything less than you deserve. Be willing to walk away from anyone who doesn't treat you the way you deserve to be treated. After all, you deserve to be with someone who loves and respects you for who you are. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to watch the recommended videos that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.